Hi, Nathan.
Hi, Sammy. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
It's a beautiful spot you guys have here.
Thank you so much. I can't take any credit. This is my in-laws' home before my own.
Oh, really?
Yes, and luckily now my children are growing up in the same home that my husband did.
That is awesome. And out back, you guys have a big pool?
We do. You want to come see it?
Yeah.
All right, so this is our pool area.
This is an awesome space.
Yeah, it's really nice. I love taking my kids out here swimming, enjoying it in the summertime.
Oh, yeah.
When the sun comes up and it gets really hot, we have no shade.
And that sun is coming up right now, and I'm guessing you get full sun all day long here?
Full sun. So even during like snack time or lunchtime, it's really hard to find a shady spot.
Okay. I feel like we're gravitating over to this corner here. Is this where you think a nice shady spot would be?
This would be perfect.
All right. Well, I definitely have something in mind. I'll grab some tools and materials and we'll get started.
All right.
All right, so what I think we should do is hang up one of these large shade sails. They're lightweight, easy to install. It's gonna look great when we're done. But we don't really have a lot of structure around that area. We don't have any buildings that we can tie off of, so we need to create our own structure. And the way that I wanna do that is by using these planter barrels and some pressure treated lumber. I don't really wanna put the posts fixed to your concrete apron. I don't wanna introduce holes, tap con down into that and have water go in and split and crack over time. I think this will be a great option because it'll be customizable. If you guys need to move it, make it bigger, just take it down completely, you know, you're not fixed into one spot forever. To put this together, we're gonna use the barrels, we're gonna put the 4x4 posts in, and then we're gonna backfill with this rock here.
I really, really like this rock.
This is beautiful. I think we should cap off with this. This one's a little bit cheaper, so it'll be really great for weight, just to fill it up. And then to attach the sail to the pressure treated stock, picked up a bunch of stainless steel hardware. We have eye bolts, carabiners for the sides so we can take it off easy in the wintertime, and then also a 4x4 cap to dress up the top. I think we get started by setting the posts in the barrel.
Excellent.
All right, what I'd like to do is cut a few pieces of this pressure treated 2x12, and what that is going to be is the base plate for our 4x4 to get attached to. So I'm going to cut a few pieces, 11 1/4, just so they'll easily fit in the bottom. All right, one more. You're gonna find the center. I'm gonna do an offset. Do this to all three. We'll make sure that we're nice and square on the bottom of the post. So you can pre-drill those. All right, now we're ready to drill our holes for our stainless steel eye bolts that we're going to put through the top. So what I'd like to do is come down 6 inches. Now we want to try and get these as square as possible. You sight one direction, I'll sight the other. Now we can drop these in. So now we're going to do washer and a nut. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start a couple of these screws. We have that nice layout from earlier.
Yep.
So what we're going to do is you're going to sight that.
That looks good.
Okay. It's going to jump around a little bit. Like it?
Looks good.
All right, let's start the second one.
There we go.
All right, that's all set. All right, so this one is 14 by 14 by 14. So it's got a pretty good amount of coverage. So what we're gonna do is center this all the way around. So what I did is cut this stabilizer. So if you want to put that level on it.
Okay. And that's perfect.
What's nice about this is it's a planter, so it already has holes drilled in it for drainage.
Hang the sail.
All right, nice.
This looks awesome.
Perfect. Plenty of shade right over that seat there in the pool.
Yeah, I can sit, put my toes in.
Watch the kids, hang out.
Relax. Yep.
Beautiful spot. Well, there's really not any homework to this, but some recommendations. You know, if you see a severe storm coming in or it's wintertime, you want to take it down, you'll definitely prolong the life of it. Other than that, you're all set.
All right, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.